Hi guys. I am here. I'm actually waiting for my client to show up. I'm out showing houses all day today and thought while I have a few extra minutes I would hop on here and share with you a loan program that maybe not everybody is familiar with. So the client I'm working with today is moving here from out of state, and he, prior to meeting with me, didn't know that this program existed. We're looking at houses in the Des Moines area. And a lot of the neighborhoods that we're looking at are all located in an NFC financing area. So NFC has certain neighborhoods that they've designated throughout Des Moines and also Windsor Heights and some areas in West Des Moines. And what it means is that you can go through NFC or Neighborhood Finance Corporation to do your loan. They will then give an additional $10,000 to go towards home improvements and repairs. So I'm going to give you a super consolidated version of what this is. I have to first of all give a huge shout out to Terry Gearhart because he's taken over he's kind of the manager in charge now, and I gotta say he is so awesome. He is beyond helpful, incredibly knowledgeable, and can walk you through the process and explain it to you because it does get a little bit complicated. I wouldn't say complicated. There's just a lot of information to learn about. So if the home that you're looking at is located within an NFC zone, you can go to their website, put in the address, and it will show up their lending map to confirm if it's there or not. The $10,000, there are a few stipulations behind that. You do have to have a city inspection done. The city inspector may dictate where some of those improvements happen. Let's say the home's completely renovated and it needs nothing done to it. Doesn't need a new furnace, doesn't need new windows, and you want to use the money to build a garage. You can do that. However, if there are things that are needed inside the home, the inspector may require those be done before you use it for what you want to. But like I said, Terry Gearhart and all of his loan originators can walk you through the process, but it can be an exceptional program. The $10,000 that they give is forgiven as long as you live in the home for 5 years. If you move prior to 5 years, the loan is forgiven in a prorated amount. So after 3 years, if you decide to move, you just need to pay 2 years of that $10,000 back. So it can be an amazing opportunity to get into a home, make the improvements to your home to build equity. It also can give you $2,500 towards your closing costs if you're eligible for that. So there are a lot of different things within this program that are possible. This is a super condensed version of it, but I highly recommend that if you are looking in these neighborhoods, and like I said, you can go to the website to pull up exactly where those neighborhoods are, or I'd be happy to show them to you. It could be a great option, and not everybody is familiar with it. So feel free to let me know if you have any questions about this particular program.